Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Payoneer account is blocked, restricted or you can't sign in, then this video is extremely important for you. A lot of people panic when this happens. They start sending multiple emails, multiple tickets, and sometimes the issue becomes even slower. But today I am going to show you the exact process that actually works. And trust me, I am not just telling you random information. I have personally solved many Payoneer issues using this method. For example, I successfully got released my old email that Payoneer normally says you cannot reuse them. So in this video, I will explain the exact process step by step. So watch carefully till the end. First of all, go to Payoneer website and submit a ticket. When submitting a ticket, explain your issue clearly. Do not write just one line, "My Payoneer account is blocked." Instead of that, explain what actually happened, when the issue started, what error are you getting, what you already tried. And the bottom right, make sure you write your Payoneer account email address and your phone number. Now this next step is very important. After submitting the ticket, Payoneer will send you an automatic email response. Most people ignore this email, but you need to read this carefully till the end. Usually at the bottom they write something like, "If your issue is still not resolved, kindly reply to this email." Now listen carefully. You only need to reply once. That's it. Reply to the same email and paste the same issue details you wrote on the spot. You can also add extra details if needed, but do not send multiple replies. Do not spam emails, because every extra reply can delay your case even more. This is the one of the biggest mistakes people make. After that, wait patiently. Usually within 2 to 4 days, Payoneer assigns an agent to your case. Sometimes even it can take a week, so don't panic. Once the agent contacts you, they may ask for verification details or documents. Simply provide the details whatever they ask for honestly and correctly. And in many cases the issue gets resolved. Also, if you forgot your Payoneer security verification questions, I already made a video on that. In that video, I explained how the emails look, how the process works, how long you should wait, and how to communicate with the support properly. So make sure to watch that video too. I will put the link in description or comments. Remember, one proper ticket, one proper email, patience, no panic, no spam emails. I hope this video helped you guys. If it helped, then make sure to like the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.